All right, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will teach you about various tools for Pinterest marketing. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Okay guys, let's go over some of the tools you can use for Pinterest marketing. Let's talk about the first one, the Pinterest browser button. Let's search for it. Let's get the extension straight from the Pinterest site. Click Get Our Browser button, and then click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. It will now appear at the upper right corner of your browser screen. You can think of this as a shortcut tool to save links to your articles, photos, or videos into your Pinterest account. Let's search for articles. For example, let's search for drones. Let's search for articles about drones. Okay. Once we have the article for drones, you can now click the Pinterest browser button to save this to your Pinterest account or profile. Let's choose this one and save this to our board. So we don't have a board for drones yet, so let's create one. Drones. You can toggle this to yes if you want to keep this private, or toggle this to no if you want this to be a public board. So let's set this to no first and then click create. Once that is completed, you can see it now in your profile page. So you can see here, you saved to drones. When we go to our profile and then boards tab, you should be able to see the drones that we created, and inside it is our pin. Let's have a close-up of our link. Once we click the link, you will be redirected to the destination link. The next tool that we are going to talk about is Canva. So Canva is a graphic design tool that lets you create visually appealing designs from thousands of templates that they have. Let's go to the main dashboard and search for Pinterest graphic. You'll see here that we have the custom dimension or image dimension already provided for you. So let's select that and then choose from the thousands of templates. Let's see. Okay, for example, I want to choose this template. So you can change the image here, also the text. Don't forget to change the file name. You can change this to whatever title you would like, and then instead of clicking publish to Pinterest, we will download this to our computer so that we can customize the destination link. So click PNG and then download. Once we have downloaded this to our computer, we are now ready to add a pin. So to quickly add or create a pin, just click the add icon here at the top right side of your screen and then click create pin. Drag your image file here or select from your computer file and then add a title. Creating Insta-worthy photos. And then descriptions, gadgets that you can use, or write a more appealing description for your pin. And then add a destination link. For example, let's use the same link, or let's choose gadgets for Instagram. Okay. Let's see some photography gadgets and use this link. And then let's say photography gadgets. So you can set this to publish immediately or at a later date. It's up to you. And then select a board. For example, gadgets for Instagram. And then create your board. So you can keep this unchecked if you want this to be public or so that all users can see your board, and then click create. Then click publish. Okay. So we have scheduled this to be published on Thursday at 12 p.m. Let's see it now. When we go to our boards, so this is only visible to us or to our account because it's still scheduled. Once you go to the board, you'll be able to see gadgets for Instagram, and we have 0 pins because it is still scheduled. Once the pin has been posted, you should be able to see it on your board. Now let's have a closer look at the pin. Okay, so once your visitor click on the link, they should be redirected to the destination link. Here we go. All right. So the next tool that we are going to talk about is Tailwind. Let's go to the main dashboard of Tailwind. So Tailwind is a scheduling app, and on the left side of your screen, when you click the menu button here or icon, you'll see your menu panel here. And let's look closely at the publisher option and then click scheduled pins. On the right hand side of your screen, you'll be able to see a calendar view and all the pins that are scheduled in your Pinterest account. So here we have this article pinned in our pinboard, cameras for vlogging. Another useful feature of Tailwind is the tribes. So a Tailwind tribe is an online community made up of bloggers and influencers sharing content in a similar niche. So you can share your blog post to the tribe, and if they like it, they are going to share it to their Pinterest boards for their audience to see. So it's a good way to network and increase social media engagement and popularity. But don't forget to read the tribe rules here. So in this example, I joined the community of online entrepreneurs, and these are all the suggested pins that I can publish to my Pinterest account. Okay, now let's go to the last tool. The last tool that we are going to talk about is Mentionlytics. It is a social media monitoring tool. So here in the dashboard, you can see all the insights. So basically, Mentionlytics tells you what people say about your brand. It provides insights by discovering mentions across all kinds of web, social media sources, and also based on user-defined keywords. So for example, here, you can see your mention trackers. When you click here, you should be able to see your brand monitoring, so your own media and also your competitors. Next is your marketing leads or your potential customers based on the keyword that you have set here on your parameters. So for this example, I use the keyword latest gadgets, and then on the right side is a graph, and you can filter it based on the social media accounts here. . When you scroll down, you'll be able to see a more detailed information about your brand's social media presence. So you have Twitter's, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and so on. You also have mentions based on the world map and based on the web and on Instagram.